Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to install APK files on Windows 11. So I'm on Windows 10, but on Windows 11 it can be already also done. So firstly guys, before doing anything, let's go to the developer options. We need to enable some of the settings. So guys, in the developer options you need to click on developer mode and toggle it on. After that, let us navigate to the Microsoft Store and grab the application to install our APK files. Right, so if you don't have Amazon Store supported, just like in my case, you can use this APK file installer for Windows. Alright, it's a very simple app. So guys, when launching it, you just need to install it. It's very easy. You just open this app and select APK installer file. So in my case, for example, I will choose YouTube. So in my case, YouTube is now installed. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is my YouTube application successfully installed. Now I can launch it and watch some videos. As you can see, this is just a link. So this is a natively installed application without any emulators or anything like that. So guys, but before you do this, also make sure to enable virtualization in your BIOS. So depending on your motherboard, you will have different settings. For example, in my case, it's called VRM or something like that. So basically, yeah, virtualization, if it's off, you will not be able to launch this application and apps from Android on your system. So just make sure to enable the developer settings in your Windows and virtualization in your BIOS. And after that, you can install any app you want. Guys, enjoy. Hope this video helps you out. Press like and subscribe. See you soon.